For the record, please, for the state,
Daniel Escobar, State of Texas.
for the defense.
Gail Caldwell here from Megan Wilhight.
All right, and probation, this is a probation case. All right, and are you Megan Wilhight?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certifications. I'm sorry, I'm going to show you what's entitled discovery acknowledgement. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Wilhight, I'm showing you what's entitled application for probation. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm going to show you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Ms. Wilhight, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of burglary of a habitation force? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counselor, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses to this offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Ms. Wilhight, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trials. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision. They are taking in consideration grand jury number 767380, which is CM number 93783. County Court cause numbers 614877, 671768. There's to be restitution payable to Paul Gould, G-O-U-L-D. There's restitution to be paid to Ricardo A. Salcedo. Is this supposed to be S-A-U-C-E-D-O-A?
It's Salceda. Salceda, and then I believe the last name is.
Okay, so there's an A on here. How are you spelling it? Because in the form it's S-A-U-C-E-D-O-A. Should there not be an?
Oh, there should not be a note. Sorry about that, Your Honor. There were a lot of.
No
names,
problem.
right?
Oh, I can see. All right, so there's restitution to the following. Paul Gould, G-U. Why do I keep saying G-U? Okay, Paul Gould, G-O-U-L-D. Ricardo Salcedo.
Rayo Barb is what I was saying it as, but
Oh, okay.
yeah. This name's
It says Ricardo Salcedo Rebalia.
let me see.
Is
here.
it?
May have misspelled it.
No, that's okay. It's me and my pronunciations. I know. All right, we're going to spell it on the record.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to take this up again. So restitution is to be payable to the following. Paul Gould, that's G-O-U-L-D. Ricardo, the letter A, Salceda Rebalia, R-E-B-O-L-L-A-R. And I'm sure those L's are supposed to be pronounced with the Y.
I was never good at that in Spanish class.
Alejandra Perez, Isabel Gomez, Jesse Weathersby, Megan Morris, Frank Washburn, Joy Robertson, Lana Shadburn, Savannah Shadburn, Robert Shadburn, Marina Frenia, Frinea, and there's to be no contact with either of those parties mentioned. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution in CATs 1 and 2. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Your Honor, the state moves to admit what's been marked as State's Exhibit 1 into evidence.
No objection.
Ms. Wilhight, I'm showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. I think my client wants to make a change in her life, and she has a mother at home that just had a grandma, has seizures, and she also has a 17-year-old. My daughter is 14 weeks pregnant right now. She's 14 months pregnant. 14 weeks. She wants to get out of jail, and she's willing to comply.
But she's not a good role model for her daughter. And she's not a person who should be allowed to take care of anybody, let alone a goldfish. Because she has, you want to explain to me why you're breaking into people's homes when they're away?
Your
You
Honor,
ruined somebody's Christmas because this occurred December 17th, Christmas just days away.
Your Honor, I was not in a good state of mind at that period in my life, and I was under the influence of an individual who had a really bad hold of me. I made very, very poor choices, and I'm willing to.
No, I mean, you actually, people are saying, always say, you know, I wasn't in good frame of mind. I understand that, but your frame of mind was good enough to get a cinder block, climb through a window, go into somebody's home, and make sure you don't leave fingerprints. So I don't understand what you don't understand, that stealing's not right.
I am aware that it's not correct, Your Honor, and like I said, I've made a very poor choice, and I just want to be able to have a second chance to make this right. And
It can't be made right. Let me just tell you why it can't be made right. Because I'm sure all of this stuff that you took, that person's not going to get it back. And if they get it back, it's not going to be the same because somebody else has been using it and somebody else took it. Just like their home is never going to be the same. You know why it's not going to be the same? Because somebody entered their home without their permission. And Christmas is never going to be the same. You know why Christmas is never going to be the same for them? Because December 17th, somebody broke into their home while they were away. So you can't make it right. Sometimes things that we do, you can't make it right unless you can go back in a time machine and not do it. So who are you living with? I mean, one of the worst things, and it's not even really the worst thing, but one of the odd things is you live in the neighborhood. People saw you on the video. They're like, oh, I know her. She lives right in the
I no
neighborhood.
longer live at that residence, Your Honor.
As you should.
No, I've not lived there for quite a while. I live in Cibolo.
When's the last time you had employment?
Before I was arrested, I was employed with Southern Wildlife Rehab Facility.
Doing what?
I work with animals, Your Honor.
And is she planning on staying in Bear County?
Yes, Your Honor.
With who?
With where I was living at, my best friend and I have a place in Cibolo, 213 Bridge Crossing in Cibolo.
Okay, so you're gonna be living in Cibolo, Texas?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that's not San Antonio. Am I wrong with that?
I think parts of it are in San Antonio, Your Honor,
Are you-
or in Bear.
No, I'm just talking about
Oh,
the
San Antonio,
city.
Bear. Sorry.
Yes. All right. Do you have any mental health diagnosis?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any drug issues?
No, Your Honor.
Then I don't understand this wrong frame of mind. Counsel, help me.
I don't, just that she's willing to accept responsibility for her conduct. I can't explain that.
All right, as previously stated, the court is finding you guilty. If I'm not even gonna say it. Okay. So here's the thing. The court is gonna sentence you to 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 6 years. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. There is to be taken in consideration grand jury number 767-380, which is also CM number 937-838. County Court cause number 614-877-671-768. There's to be restitution and no contact with Paul Gould, Ricardo A. Salceda, Rebollar, Rebollar, Alejandra Perez, Isabel Gomez, Jesse Weathersby, Weathersby, Megan, Meghan Morris, Frank Washburn, Washburn, Joy Robertson, Lana, Lana, Savannah, and Robert Shadburn, Shadburn, Marina Frenia, Frinea. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to want the UA hotline until further notice. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want field visits 2 times per month. We can do that for 6 months to see how she's doing. 200 hours of community service restitution. And usually I give people 40 hours of credit if they receive the COVID vaccination, but I'm not doing that for you. So it's 200 hours of community service restitution. We're going to do CATs 1 and 2. And usually I give people my own CATs 1 and 2, but I think you need the extra help of CATs 1 and 2, other than me telling you, don't steal, don't take what doesn't belong to you, don't go into homes unless you're invited. If you are invited and you're told to leave, you leave. Don't accept an invitation to somebody's home from a third party. But you need more than that. There is to be, let's see, is there anything else she needs probation?
Did you want to have her do parenting classes, Your Honor?
Yes, I'm gonna have you do parenting classes because you're telling me, well, you're making me think that you're gonna be involved in your daughter's life and helping her out with your grandchild. I don't know if that's true or not, but I'm already saying no unsupervised contact with minors. But I'll give you parenting classes, and I'll tell you what, if you complete parenting classes, I'll deduct 40 hours of community service restitution. All right, is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, ma'am, I believe you covered everything.
All right. And Ms. Wilhight, is there anything else you need from the court? All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. You're gonna have to do better in life. I mean, some people find you in their homes without their permission. It doesn't end well. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's always good seeing you.
Thank you, Judge.